What to do if your car's air conditioning isn't working properly. Autodoc tips. Before you proceed with the detailed diagnostics of the unit, carry out a simple test. To do this, start the engine and switch on the air conditioner. Set it to the maximum cooling setting, and after a couple of minutes, measure the air temperature in the vents. If the cooling system is working properly, the temperature should not exceed 3 to 9 degrees centigrade. If it's much higher or changes rapidly, the air conditioner isn't working properly. Next, let's look at the most common causes of air conditioner problems. 1. A blown electrical fuse for the AC system. You can check this part using a multimeter. Check the voltage at each fuse terminal. When the ignition is switched on, the voltage should be 12 volts. You should also remove the fuse and inspect it. Refer to your car's repair manual for the location of the fuse. Melting or other visible damage are signs of a faulty fuse. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Switch the device to the resistance measurement mode. Connect the multimeter probes to the fuse terminals. A faulty fuse will have a very high resistance value, which may be displayed as 1 on the multimeter. Replace the broken component and check the condition of the wires, compressor clutch and auxiliary radiator fan. A blown fuse indicates a circuit overload or a short circuit in one of its components. 2. Insufficient air supply. The most common cause of this is a clogged filter. Dust in the passenger compartment, misty windows, poor airflow and unusual odors while the ventilation system is turned on are also signs of a faulty filter. Refer to the car owner's manual to locate the filter. You can easily replace it yourself by watching our video tutorials. Three, blower breakdown. Often caused by a faulty fuse, blower motor or speed control module. If the speed control module is out of order, the blower will only operate at one speed, usually the maximum. This module is usually located next to the fan. Four, clogged AC condenser and/or a faulty receiver dryer. When heavily fouled, the conditioning system will overheat, causing the air conditioner to malfunction or shut down. If these components are damaged, the pressure in the system increases. 5. AC condenser fan malfunction. The cooling system will include either a single device responsible for cooling both the engine radiator and the AC condenser, or two devices, one for the engine and the other for the air conditioning system. The fan should work properly for every AC setting and rotate without making any noise. Otherwise, your HVAC system will work incorrectly or won't work at all. 6. A damaged refrigerant pressure sensor. This is caused by damaged internal sensor components. Once broken, the sensor cannot be repaired. 7. Compressor malfunction. If the compressor clutch doesn't click in the engine compartment when the air conditioning is turned on, this could indicate that the AC compressor isn't working. This test method is only applicable to vehicles with electromagnetic compressor clutches, as opposed to clutchless direct drive compressors. In other cases, you may need to use a car diagnostic tool. The approximate service life for a compressor is 150,000 to 200,000 kilometers. This part will need to be replaced if the discharge pressure is too low due to mechanical failures, leakages, or damage to the electromagnetic clutch or the clutch hub. Refrigerant leakage. Oil stains on the joints, condenser and compressor are a telltale sign that there has been a leak. Loss of tightness in the AC circuit causes the refrigerant to leak, which is an essential part of the system. In this case, the faulty parts need to be replaced, and the AC system should be recharged in accordance with its specifications. Tips from Autodoc. In a properly functioning HVAC system, the refrigerant should last at least 5 years. If the refrigerant amount decreases, this could indicate that there's been a leakage in the system. Once the problem has been fixed, the AC system needs to be recharged. Do not recharge your AC system yourself. The refrigerant gas is poisonous and a health hazard. To prevent corrosion, remove heavy dirt from the AC condenser and keep it from getting clogged or damaged. Make sure to turn on the air conditioning for 10 to 15 minutes at least once a month, even in winter. This will help to extend the service life of the system.
Follow us on social media. Find us on Instagram and TikTok.